can't think of anything better than to eat chicken Florentine soup on a nice cold and rainy day like today. So I'm going to share with you my chicken Florentine soup recipe. It was actually something that some friends requested that I do on Facebook as my next episode. And then the other thing is I normally have rolls that I would have with this soup, but I'm not going to share that recipe with you until my next episode, which is my Christmas episode, and I'm so excited about it. Christmas is coming! So for now, let's get into my chicken Florentine recipe. If you have homemade frozen chicken stock, remove it from your freezer and let it defrost in your fridge for 2 days. You can also check out my video for homemade chicken stock. In a 5-quart pot over medium heat, add your butter and your onion and let it soften for a bit. It should take about 2 minutes. Once your onions are nice and soft, you can add your flour slowly until all flour is incorporated. Slowly add in your heavy whipping cream. And then after that is all incorporated, you want to add your chicken stock. Again, very slowly until it starts to thick up and then it turns into a nice cream sauce. Now add your curry powder and your minced garlic. Add your pepper and your shredded basil leaves. Make sure you keep stirring. Now you want to add your crushed tomatoes. At this point you want to eyeball how thick your soup is. So in order to get it to the right consistency, you would add water slowly or more chicken stock. Add 2 packets of Goya Salad and Vegetable seasoning, as well as thyme. Taste your soup and add any additional pepper or salt. While the soup is simmering, let's add some pre-seasoned chicken thighs to a pan that's already been heated to medium-high. It should take about 5 minutes per side to get the chicken nice and seared. Once removed from the pan, let the chicken rest for 5 minutes before cutting it up into bite-sized pieces. Add the chicken thighs to the soup. At this stage, if I wanted to add any carrots or any other vegetables, I would do so. Let your soup sit on the stove for another 20 minutes on medium-low heat, just so that we can marry all of the flavors together. Now we're ready to serve. I fill the bottom of my bowls with spinach, and then I cook macaroni and put the macaroni on top of the spinach, and then I top it off with the soup. The last thing will be a nice sprinkle of Parmesan cheese. Serve with some homemade rolls or garlic toast. The choice is yours. Either way, this soup is warm, cozy, comforting, and delicious. Thanks for hanging with us today. I hope your soup comes out fantastic. Until next time, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and be blessed. Thanks for hanging with us today. I hope your soup comes out fantastic. Until next time.